Hey everyone, welcome back to Willie's Travel Ideas, episode 69, and today, we're shaking up Independence Day with unforgettable ways to celebrate. Forget the usual barbecue. This year, let's make the 4th of July an adventure you'll never forget. Ready? Grab your notepad, and let's dive in. There's nothing quite like a small-town parade on the 4th of July. The streets fill with laughter and excitement as children wave their American flags with pride. Dogs trot by in their red, white, and blue bandanas, and the high school marching band brings a burst of energy to the morning air. The whole town seems to come alive, united by a shared sense of celebration and tradition. It's a scene that feels both timeless and uniquely American, where everyone, young and old, finds a reason to smile. But these parades are about so much more than just the floats or the candy tossed to eager kids. They're about the feeling of belonging, of being part of something bigger than yourself. As you stand shoulder to shoulder with neighbors and strangers alike, you realize that this is what community is all about. Coming together to celebrate, to share stories, and to make memories that last a lifetime. Each parade is a showcase of local pride and creativity. You'll see gleaming classic cars lovingly restored by their owners, fire trucks decked out in festive streamers and flags, and homemade floats that reflect the spirit and humor of the town. Every entry has its own story, whether it's a family float built in a garage or a group of friends marching together in costume. These details make each parade unique, a reflection of the people who call this place home. And don't worry if you're not a local. Small towns have a way of making everyone feel welcome. You'll be greeted with warm smiles and friendly hellos, invited to join in the festivities as if you've always belonged. There's a genuine hospitality here that's hard to find anywhere else. And it's one of the reasons people return year after year. Take a moment to strike up a conversation with someone nearby. Ask about the town's history, and you'll likely hear tales of past parades, legendary floats, or the time the mayor dressed up as Uncle Sam. These stories are part of the fabric of the community, passed down from one generation to the next, and they add a richness to the experience that you won't find in bigger cities. If you're searching for a truly memorable parade, look for towns with quirky traditions or celebrations that have stood the test of time. Some towns have been hosting their 4th of July parades for over a century, each year adding new twists while honoring old customs. You might stumble upon a parade where tractors outnumber floats, or where the local pie-eating contest is just as important as the procession itself. To make the most of your day, bring a lawn chair, plenty of sunscreen, and your camera. These are the moments you'll want to remember. Kids catching candy, neighbors sharing snacks, and the simple joy of being outdoors on a summer morning. Don't forget to snap a few photos, you'll treasure them for years to come. If you have kids, get them involved by making their own flags or parade decorations. It's a fun way to build excitement and create family traditions. Watching your children wave their homemade flags as the parade passes by is a memory you'll cherish, and it's a great way to teach them about community spirit and patriotism. By the end of the day, you'll leave with a full heart, a camera roll full of happy faces, and a new appreciation for the simple joys of community. These parades remind us that sometimes, the best celebrations are the ones that bring people together in the most genuine way. Sometimes, the most meaningful celebrations happen in the most unexpected places, a tiny town you've never heard of, a rural crossroads, or a close-knit neighborhood where everyone knows your name. These are the places where memories are made and traditions are born. So this year, consider skipping the big city crowds and fireworks. Instead, try a small-town parade. You might discover a new tradition, make new friends, and experience the true heart of America in a way you never expected. Who knows, you might find yourself coming back year after year, drawn by the charm, the warmth, and the sense of belonging that only a small-town parade can offer. Nothing beats a classic road trip for the 4th of July. Windows down, playlist up, and the open road ahead. Plan a route that weaves in American history, maybe the Blue Ridge Parkway, Route 66, or a drive from Philly to Boston. Stop at national monuments, quirky museums, or old diners along the way. It's about the journey, those spontaneous roadside attractions, and small-town celebrations. Pack snacks, decorate your car, and keep your camera ready for fireworks, stands, and wildflowers. Don't be afraid to join a local celebration when you spot one. By the end, you'll have a camera full of memories and a deeper connection to this country. The highway is calling. Answer with a sparkler in hand. This 4th of July, Why not take your celebration beyond the backyard and into the heart of America's natural wonders? National parks offer the perfect setting for a truly memorable Independence Day, where the beauty of the landscape becomes your backdrop, and every moment feels a little more magical. Imagine gathering your loved ones beneath towering trees or beside a sparkling lake surrounded by the sights and sounds of the great outdoors. Pack a festive picnic basket brimming with red, white, and blue treats. Think juicy berry salads, star-shaped watermelon slices, and crispy fried chicken. Add in some classic sides like potato salad or corn on the cob, and don't forget refreshing drinks to keep everyone cool under the summer sun. Choose a scenic spot, maybe a shady meadow, a quiet lakeshore, or a hilltop with sweeping views. Take a moment to soak in the scenery before you settle in. Bring along binoculars for bird watching, a deck of cards, or even a frisbee for some lighthearted fun between bites. The park is your playground, so let your imagination run wild. Add a short hike to your day for a dash of adventure. Explore a nearby trail, wander through wildflower fields, or simply stroll along the water's edge. You'll discover hidden gems and create memories that last long after the holiday ends. For a festive touch, bring sparklers or play your favorite patriotic tunes on a portable speaker. But always check park rules first to keep your celebration safe and respectful. Remember to tread lightly and leave no trace. Pack reusable plates, cups, and utensils to cut down on waste, and choose eco-friendly decorations to keep your picnic green. When it's time to head home, gather up all your trash and recyclables, leaving the park as beautiful as you found it for others to enjoy. Whether you invite a big group of friends or set out solo for some peaceful reflection, a national park picnic offers relaxation, inspiration, and a sense of awe that's hard to find anywhere else. Blending celebration with the beauty of the outdoors, your picnic becomes more than just a meal. It's a tribute to the land we call home. This year, trade your usual backyard barbecue for a breathtaking view and let nature set the stage for your festivities. Who knows, you might just start a new tradition, celebrating freedom, friendship, and the great American outdoors, surrounded by the country's most stunning scenery. Imagine watching fireworks from a boat, water shimmering beneath you, the sky above suddenly bursting into a kaleidoscope of color. The gentle rocking of the boat adds to the excitement, and every explosion of light is mirrored perfectly on the glassy surface of the lake, doubling the spectacle. It's a scene that feels almost dreamlike, as if you've stepped into a painting where the world is brighter and the night is alive with possibility. Surrounded by friends or family, you can't help but feel the magic in the air. Laughter echoes across the water and every face is lit up by the glow of fireworks overhead. The world feels just a bit more magical and every moment is one you'll want to remember. You don't need to be an expert sailor to enjoy this experience. Rent a boat for the evening, or join a local fireworks cruise. Many marinas offer special holiday packages, making it easy for anyone to join in the fun. Whether you're celebrating the 4th of July or another special occasion, there's a boat and a view waiting for you. Don't forget to pack your favorite snacks and drinks, cozy blankets for when the night air turns cool, and of course, life jackets for everyone's safety. A little preparation goes a long way toward making your night comfortable and carefree. Add a touch of festivity by stringing up some lights or handing out glow sticks. These small touches create a warm, inviting atmosphere, and make your boat stand out as part of the celebration. The moment the first firework bursts and its reflection dances across the water is truly unforgettable. It's a sight that will take your breath away, and one that's even more special when shared with others. Bring your closest friends, gather your family, or invite someone special for a romantic evening. The shared experience of watching fireworks from the water brings everyone closer together, creating memories that last long after the night is over. For couples, it's the perfect setting for a romantic night, cuddled up under a blanket, watching the sky light up just for you. Whether you're with a big group or just a few loved ones, being on the water brings everyone closer, both literally and figuratively. There's something about sharing a blanket and watching the show that makes the night feel extra special. Remember to be courteous to other boats. Give everyone space to enjoy the view and wave to your fellow revelers. The sense of community on the water is part of what makes the night so memorable. After the grand finale, let the peaceful atmosphere settle in. Boats gently float as the last echoes of fireworks fade, and quiet conversations fill the night air. It's a time to reflect, relax, and soak in the beauty of the moment. When the last firework fades from the sky, don't rush back to shore. Let the calm wash over you as the night settles in and the water returns to its peaceful state. Stay a little longer to enjoy the stars twinkling above and their reflections shimmering below. Stargazing from a boat is a quiet, magical way to end the night. This year, skip the crowded shore and claim a front row seat on the water. With no jostling for space, you'll have the best view in the house, and a sense of peace that's hard to find on land. Once you've experienced fireworks from the water, you'll never see them the same way again. It's a memory you'll cherish, and a tradition you'll want to repeat year after year. This 4th of July, honor those who made our freedom possible by volunteering at a veterans organization. Many groups host barbecues, flag raisings, or care package drives. Check with your local VFW or American Legion. Help serve food, set up, or just listen to veteran stories. You'll gain as much as you give. Bring the family. Kids can make cards or help decorate, learning about gratitude and service. If there's no event nearby, organize your own care package drive or write thank you notes. Even small gestures make a big impact and can become a meaningful tradition. This year, let's honor our heroes by giving back. It's the most patriotic act of all. Want to experience history firsthand? Head to a Revolutionary War reenactment and step into 1776. Volunteers in period costumes recreate battles, set up authentic camps, and bring history to life. Tour the encampments, chat with reenactors, and try colonial games or food. Many events happen at historic sites. Arrive early for the full experience. Kids and adults can join in, learning about courage and community. Don't forget your camera. These scenes are unforgettable. A reenactment is a living lesson in independence. Make it part of your 4th of July. The 4th of July is a feast for the senses. Every region has its own delicious traditions. Visit a food festival or fair to sample local specialties. Lobster rolls in New England, barbecue in the South, brats in the Midwest, or berry pies out west. Ask locals for their must-try dishes, or join a cook-off or pie-eating contest for fun. Try recreating a regional dish at home and invite friends for a potluck. Swap stories, compare recipes, and maybe invent your own signature dish. Food brings people together. Over ribs or pie, strangers become friends. This year, let your taste buds lead the way. Freedom means eating well. There you have it. 7 unique ways to celebrate the 4th of July, each packed with adventure and heart. Share your own creative ideas in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration. Happy 4th of July. Go make some unforgettable memories. And for more of the best travel tips, visit www.williguru.com. Check out my funny short for this video and give me a thumbs up. And must-see, check out my 4th of July pics from my Amazon Associates links in the description of this video.